Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Wednesday 29th of May 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I do urge you to check out the description of the video for the link of the Telegram room. At times when there are important updates to be delivered to you, I could do this through the Telegram. And also I do urge you to check out our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our core analysis right after a quick recap. On the last trading session of Tuesday, we've been waiting for important economic headers to be released from the United States. We've been waiting for the CB consumer confidence for May. It came above forecast. For the gold price action on the last trading session of Tuesday, gold started the day with some strength, made it to 1286 plus, then lost some ground and retreated toward 1282. That level provided some support. Then it bounced back to 1284. It was in a very excellent bullish setup at that time, but a sell-off happened in the market and pushed down the gold toward 1276. The level provided strong support for the gold and it bounced back toward almost 1280. In our last episode we said that gold is in neutral ground with a bullish momentum, and we advised you to look for any short-term rally as an opportunity to enter the market as a seller. The fact that gold did not offer us that chance to sell at at 1288 or above, we could not actually benefit of the sell-off. That's all for the strategy recap. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. The economic calendar for Wednesday, we'll be waiting for the following economic headers from the European countries. We'll be looking for the French CPI, French GDP, and the German unemployment rate and the German unemployment change, and the ECB financial stability review, all to be considered as market movers. From the United States, we'll be looking for so many economic headers but with low importance: the Richmond Services Index for May, and the Richmond Manufacturing Index, and the Red Book month-to-month and year-to-year, and the MBA purchase index. That's all. Move on now to the technical indicators. On the last trading session of Tuesday, we have had trading range from 1276 toward 1286. The market is still open and the numbers are rounded. The gold spot is expected to print a close price above 1278. Last seen it was climbing nearby the 1280. We have to watch for this. For the daily simple moving averages, 20 days 1282, 50 days 1290, and the 100 days 1296, and for the 200 days it's 1256. We are again below 20, 50, 100 days daily simple moving average and above only the 200 days daily simple moving average. For the RSI readings, for the 1 hour it's 33 bearish, and for the RSI 4 hours is 39 bearish as well, and for the RSI for the 1 day it's 45 neutral. For the supports and resistance, the first support should be 1276, followed by 1270 and 1266. If those two levels are cleared, gold is going to push down toward 1250, not one time, it will take some time. For the resistance, 1280, followed by 1285, then 1291. That's all. We'll move on now to the strategy. Let's start with the good news. We are back, and we hope that technical difficulties we have been met with in the last week are no more existing. I will take the chance to introduce you to this idea. We are a new YouTube channel, that's true, but we've been there for more than 5 months so far. And some of you by now are friends more than subscribers. I do urge you, please, to promote this channel as if it's yours. Just imagine that with the time we become 5 to 10,000 active members. By that time, we will not be only just a regular YouTube channel, we will be more of a market player, and we at times can take advantage of the price movement and deploy and perform some trading strategies which will benefit us and make us make real money. Please think of it and work on it if you believe in the cause of the channel. One more thing that some of the members have raised the idea they wish to donate to the channel or to raise some funds for the channel in order to enhance the content of the channel. We welcome this. If you do believe in the cause and the content of the channel, you can find the link for the donations in the description of the video. Thank you guys, and we will continue our regular video as usual. For the strategy, trend is neutral to bearish as long as gold is closing below 1280. The price action is negative. We are above the 200 days daily simple moving average, and the US dollar is rising. Technically, gold is in a better setup again, and below the key level 1280. We have to watch for this because it was nearing buy. Still, the short-term rallies, if happened, are seen as a good chance to enter the market as a seller. Rallies should meet the resistance about 1288 toward 1291 to 1296. This is a good place to sell. Please don't sell beneath the mentioned level whatsoever. Give the market its time. If it happened and the gold reacted to the market as a safe haven in a way or another, give it a time until it crosses 1288 and resides above 1291. That's a good place to sell if it happened. The advice: if you are in a short position and the market is above you, hold and protect. If you are out of the market, we do advise you still to sell at rises. And I said, where is the place to sell? If you wish to buy, it's your call. Nobody can tell you don't buy, but we don't advise buying gold before it clears 1300 with a close above this level for at least 2 consecutive sessions. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.